Hello, Kingdom. Merry New Year and Happy New Decade. Welcome to a very special New Year's Day 2020 What's in the Box. Before I get into an unboxing, I have to tell you guys to save the date. Save the date, save the date, save the date. Get your phone diaries out now and save the date to Thursday, the 23rd of January 2020. Thursday, the 23rd of January 2020, we'll be doing the Drop of the Year Awards. Okay. Also, what I have to let you guys know is the voting is going to go up on the 6th of Jan. Monday, the 6th of January, it's going to go up, and then you'll be able to vote, and then you can register. You can get your ticket that way. Yeah? So the tickets and the voting form will be going out on the 6th of Jan. So 23rd is the award show, 6th of Jan, we're going to be doing the voting and the tickets. The reason why I've done it after the fact, because normally I do it in December, is because people were saying, why don't I wait until right until the end of the year, because there's so many trainers coming out towards the end of December. And yeah, there's been some crazy ones. So yeah, I've done it after the fact. So we're gonna have 2 weeks of solid voting. So 6, you can get your voting on, you can get your ticket for the Drop of Year Awards. We're gonna have a lot of fun, a lot of surprises are gonna be happening, and I hope to see you guys there. In terms of the end of the year, I also want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you guys for your support. I think I said that last week, but I'm going to say it again. I want to thank you to all the retailers, all everyone that showed me love. And, you know, I really do appreciate it. I want to say a massive big thank you to my Forcefield family. Those guys have been absolutely amazing. Please look out for what's happening in the future. So many exciting things happening. So I just want to say one last thing. If you didn't like me in 2019, you're going to hate me in 2020 because I'm going to be a lot worse. Peace. Hold up, Kingdom. No. It hasn't finished. I know you're thinking, well, what's going on? Yes, I have a surprise what's in the box, a secret what's in the box that I was supposed to unbox last week, but I completely forgot. I'm coming like those hip-hop CDs, you know, when the last tune finishes and it goes into a secret track. So here we go. Let's get into this. Okay. Let me just rip open the bag and let me... Okay. This was a Christmas stocking by Stance. Look at the Grinch stocking. Let me show you guys what we have inside. Okay, let's go. So we have inside a Mickey Mouse, Disney and Stance Mickey Mouse socks. We also have inside, this one ain't for me, but Tomboy, women's Tomboy Christmas socks. Yeah, I'm gonna give this to a lucky lady. Okay, we also have classic edition lit. You know, it's got the Christmas trees on there. Oh no, the lights, Christmas lights on there. We also have, oh my goodness. Oh wow. Yeah, these are for the palace. These are gonna be like palace socks. You know, some people have their socks that they just wear at home. I have a lot. So these are the Grinch socks. Whoa, there's more. We also have we have Elf Stance socks. I want to say a massive thank you to my Stance family. My apologies, I was supposed to get this out on Christmas, and I completely forgot. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I wish you guys all the best for 2020 and beyond. Thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate these socks. You know, now I need to find some trainers that they got match with. Peace.